Your business is exceptional because you made it that way. By moving to standard, your systems are faster, lighter, upgrade-ready. But sometimes standard alone isn't enough. You need to extend. SAP Build is the key to your extensibility strategy. Embedded in your SAP Business Suite, it's designed for application development, process automation, digital workspaces, and agent building, giving you the power to personalize, automate, and extend across your SAP landscape. Let's look at a real-world challenge in finance. Manual fixed asset write-off approvals cause delays, errors, and duplicate effort. You can streamline and customize your workflows with your direct connection to SAP S/4HANA. It all starts from the store, your central workspace. Fixed asset write-off approval includes process, decisions, variance, and visibility scenario content. Simply create your own approval process with a pre-built template for fixed asset write-off approval and customize at each step. Supported by generative AI if you want to. Set a trigger, like a submitted form or event, to initiate your process. Determine and notify an approver, fully automated. And define rules for follow-up actions with branching conditions to ensure the right outcome, always. The result? A process that's faster, more accurate, and fully traceable, all within your SAP ecosystem. Now let's look at a critical HR scenario. Extending SAP SuccessFactors apps and HCM processes. Many organizations with globally distributed offices have employees who need to visit them to collaborate with colleagues. With SAP Build and its extension for HCM solutions, HR can streamline and optimize HR processes to enhance the employee experience, like creating an app that simplifies access to workplace benefits. This is how it works. It all begins in the SAP Build lobby, where anyone can start building with pre-built solutions and connected data sources. The app pulls people data directly from SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, so you can dynamically display information relevant to the employee based on data in their profile, such as their location. SAP Build offers a drag-and-drop interface for fast design, along with pro-code tools for more advanced development. The result? A seamless, on-brand app that helps employees get their job done, which enhances employee experience on a day-to-day basis and evolves with your workplace needs. Sounds like the real deal? It is. Because SAP Build empowers you to reduce complexity, deliver faster, scale with confidence, all from one place. Whatever makes your business unique, just build your answer. Make innovation your standard.